Hi guys, welcome back to Divine Times 2. Today I am in the kitchen putting together a fun and easy recipe, anytime snack mix. There's no need for extra seasonings or an oven. Instead of grabbing some popcorn to watch the movie, go for anytime snack mix. You can also make it for a birthday party, a picnic, going on a nature walk, send it to a loved one at college, they'll appreciate it, or enjoy it while watching one of our videos. But before I continue, I want to wish you and yours a wonderful Happy New Year. You guys mean so much to us, and we are very grateful that you subscribe, watch, comment, share, and like our videos. By doing this, it helps our channel grow. We love coming up with recipes for you, our subscribers. You guys are awesome. We appreciate you and thank you. Hope you give this recipe a try. You are going to love it. The recipe for Anytime Snack Mix will be in the description box below. Enjoy the rest of the video, and as always, remember to stay kind, positive, and divine. See you next time. Love ya. Bye.